Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Jacob Viral. I know you're excited to see the demo of this build, but before I just wanted to say thank you all for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe if you're a new viewer, as well as I just launched official merch. A lot of people have been wanting to get merch. Link in the description for that, as well as I just created a Patreon. You're able to become a Patreon supporter now. I'm going to be working more with exclusive content and credit, shout outs, a lot of other personal things with you guys that become that. And I look forward to working with y'all on also live streams. I'm going to be doing weekly live streams. I did my first official live stream a few days ago. Great success. So I'm going to be doing more of those, so stay tuned. And we're about to get ready to do a demo. If y'all ever have any questions, feel free to comment, and look forward to working with y'all more closely with the Patreon supporters. See y'all at the demo.
That bitch is windy as a
Check out my official Jacob Viral merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.